In the year 1900, Greek divers looking for sponges found a sunken ship 150 feet underwater. They brought up marble statues, ancient coins, and beautiful jewelry from 2,000 years ago. But nobody noticed the weirdest thing until a year later. A corroded lump of bronze had tiny gears inside that shouldn't exist for 1,400 more years. This is the story of the world's first computer. Time Travel with Tanner. The story of the 2,000-year-old computer. The ancient Greeks were mathematical and astronomical geniuses who studied the stars constantly. They could predict eclipses, track celestial objects, and map the trajectory of the stars. But nobody knew they could build computers with 30 interlocking bronze gears. They made these microscopic gears using only hand tools, no electricity or machines. The complete device was about the size of a shoebox and made entirely of bronze. You turned a hand crank and it calculated where planets would be on any date. It tracked the Sun, Moon, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn with incredible accuracy. The machine even predicted eclipses decades into the future using Babylonian math. It even had a dial that told you when the Olympic Games would happen. After the ancient Greeks, nobody built anything this advanced for 1,400 years. The technology was completely forgotten and had to be invented all over again. Scientists had to use X-rays and CT scans to figure out how it worked. Hidden inscriptions inside were like an instruction manual from 2,000 years ago. 1/3 of the original device survived. The rest is still underwater or lost forever. Scientists keep searching the shipwreck, hoping to find more pieces of this ancient computer. Modern engineers are trying to rebuild it using only tools ancient Greeks had. We still don't know who built it, how many existed, or what else they could make. If this technology was lost for 1,400 years, what other ancient inventions disappeared forever? Ancient people built pyramids, made unbreakable steel, and created weapons we still can't recreate. The ancient Greeks studied the same stars we see, but they saw them with pure genius. Every computer, phone, and smartwatch you use today started with ancient genius like this. The real device is in a museum in Athens where scientists still study it today. The past holds secrets we're still discovering. Follow for more mind-blowing journeys through history with Tanner.